Hey everybody, this is Doc here, and we have some lesson plans for you for the 9th of September, which is a Wednesday. What I'm going to want you to do today is I'm going to be sending out in a document a modified version of the PowerPoint that was given to you as an assignment for Module 3.1. And you're going to be learning how to take notes effectively in using the tools that are in PowerPoint and editing a PowerPoint so you can use it as a study guide. The screencast lasts about 8 minutes, and I think it stalled at one point. What you'll need to do is, as I'm showing you how to switch from presentation view and into note view, you're going to need to pause the video and type in the notes that I made. That way you get some practice in it. And I do this for about 4 or 5 screens. But what you need to do is, again, look at what I typed in and add it to your notes so you get used to the switching back and forth. Then what I want you to do is I want you to take notes on 3 separate slides. So you're going to look at the slide, and then you're going to look at the textbook, and the slide correlates. So you can follow along in your textbook. It follows just right along the whole part of it. And take a note and write it down. You've learned a little bit by looking at the timeline. You've learned a little bit by watching a video on Louis. And you've learned a little bit by talking about what rights should the government have and what rights should the government not have. What you can then do is you can add the note to it and save it and take a screenshot of your notes and then submit it to me in the Google Classroom, and that's going to be a very small assignment. All the assignments in Google Classroom will count toward 1 grade. Now, some of you have been reporting that you're not able to type into the box. If you can't type into the box, don't worry about it. Because if I need something from you, a written response from you, I'm putting it in Google Classroom. Now, when you do your assignments, I'm counting that as your attendance for the day. So it's really important that you log in, you do the assignment as soon as you can, make contact with me. That way I know you're working from home. Otherwise, I have no idea. I'm just guessing. So try to get that assignment in, the short response question as soon as possible. You're going to be reading this hopefully in the morning, and if you can submit it by the early afternoon, I should be able to give you credit for attendance and also get a score up for you. If you have any questions, some of you guys have been doing a great job using the Hangout chat. It's very quick, easy, and I'm glad that most of you seem to be learning from it real fast. Make sure that you're in the right Foolproof Me. Some students are not yet enrolled, and I'll be sending out a note if you're not enrolled. You need to have Module 1 done by Friday. That will be counting as a grade in Power School. It's a 10-point assignment, so you need to make every effort to get that one in. If you get a poor grade, I will reset the test, and you'll get to take it again until you get a strong score. Other than that, be on the lookout. I'll be posting, and I may keep your eyes open. I'll be posting a time for Google Meets, and I'm going to make the Google Meets basically I'm going to try to make it that I'll have a couple sessions, and it'll be covering the same topic, so you can go to one of the 3 sessions tomorrow. On Thursday or Friday, I'll be meeting by classes. So it'll be like one for 3rd period, one for 4th period, etc. But tomorrow I think we're going to do some 15-20 minute meetings, and if you have any questions, any help in particular, then we'll do that there. And I'll probably have a little presentation for the second ones on Thursday and Friday. I'm going to have a short presentation. Remember, if you have a question, ask a friend first, because a lot of times they can help you. And then just send me a quick message in Hangouts, because it's a lot faster, and a lot of you are experiencing that. So have a great day. And remember, it's always a great day to be a rougher.